Hi everyone, this is 24K Jewel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I decided to wear a sari that had shades of reddish rose and white, and I also wanted to have a glossy eye look. So I was just browsing through my eye palette collection and I realized that I don't have any that would give me the look I wanted. So I decided to use my lipsticks instead. And unts that I used are from MAC Cosmetics. I've used 3 different shades. I hope you want to know how I used it. If you do, please continue watching. Thank you. I've already prepped my eyelid, concealer and setting powder. The first shade I'm using is DIVA. It's a deep burgundy red and I wanted to put it on the corner of my crease. And I'm also going to use this shade to be my transition color. So using my blending brush, I am lightly blending it and bringing it all the way to my inner crease to the outer. The next shade I'm using is called Ruby Woo. It's a beautiful red with blue undertone and I just love this shade. It is beautiful on the eyes and it's beautiful on the lips. I think all of you should have one of this. You can see the way I'm blending it. I am covering the entire eyelid and I'm also bringing it underneath my lower waterline. I want a little more color, so I am going to apply the Ruby Woo again. And using my finger, I am going to set this lipstick. I'm going to use the same DIVA again on the outer crease, just to give a little more burgundy look, and spreading it lightly. And I will be using more of Ruby Woo. I just love that color. Goodness, it's so beautiful. And the final shade is called Destined to Stardom. It's a limited edition and it's a beautiful silver that gives a lovely gloss on the eyes. I prefer using it on the eyes more than the lips actually. And I tried looking for a link that I could add, and I found one on eBay which is like $40. I'm not sure if you want to spend that much money to get that lipstick. I would rather buy a different silver from a different brand, or maybe even use some silver eyeshadow. I'll still link it below just in case if someone wants to buy it. And I finished it off with some eyeliner, mascara, and this is how I finished my look. I wanted to wear the necklace in a different way, so I took the ends, the chain part of the necklace, and ran it underneath the strap of my blouse. And you can actually add a tassel or pendant, and make sure to pin it though with your strap. Or you can do like the way I have done, bringing the hair in the front and just making the chain go around once and then pin it. So that's just totally up to you. That I kind of like this. It was simple and it was also kind of fancy. And on the other side, if you see, I have the pallu underneath my strap again. I kind of rolled it and then I pinned it, so it stays that way. So, just come up with some kind of ideas and just try it. If you're somebody who's shy to wear different styles or makeup, just do it at home. Take pictures, take videos, that's awesome too. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and please do share with your friends and family. It makes me so happy to see all your comments. Thank you so much.